Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to MBTV Kids News. You're with Riddhi. Let's start with the headlines first. President PM paid tribute to language martyrs. Teenager dies falling off city building. IMLI survey publication uncertain. Now the details. President Abdul Hamid and Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina paid their rich tributes to the martyrs of the historic language movement on the occasion of Omar Ekushe and the International Mother Language Day. They paid the homage by placing wreaths at the central Shahid Minar in the capital at 1 minute past midnight on Friday. The President and Prime Minister arrived at the Shahid Minar before the clock struck 12 midnight. They proceeded to the altar of the central Shahid Minar together in slow pace as the immortal song on Omar Ekushe, Amar Bhaiyer Roktarangano 21 February was playing. The President was the first to lay the wreath at the central Shahid Minar. Just after the President, the Prime Minister placed the wreath at the Shahid Minar. They stood in solemn silence for some time as a mark of profound respect to the memories of the language heroes. Ministers, advisors to the Prime Minister, Parliament members, the chiefs of the three services, diplomats, senior Army League leaders, high civil and military officials were present on the occasion. Flanked by cabinet members and senior leaders of the party, Sheikh Hasina, also the president of Bangladesh Army League, later placed another wreath at the Shahid Minar on behalf of the party. A teenage girl died after falling off the roof of a building at Uttara area of the capital on Thursday. The incident happened on Road Nong 5 under Sector 7 of Uttara Azimpur at around 11:45 am. According to the eyewitnesses, a blood-stained body of a 15-year-old girl named as Tanzin was lying around on the ground. Later, she was taken to a local hospital, but doctors declared her dead. Law enforcers of Uttara West Police Station visited the spot. Investigation is underway to find out if it was a suicide or murder, Shukanto Sub-Inspector of Uttara West Police Station said. Languages with at least 3,000 active speakers included in survey, the International Mother Language Institute is at standstill in terms of publishing the demographical survey of languages in the country. The progress remains where it was in 2018, although the UN made a push in 2019 to generate momentum in such initiatives by governments throughout the world. Last year, a high official of the institute told Dhaka Tribune that IMLI have already printed one of the 10 volumes of the survey and 2 were in progress. The official added that these 2 volumes would be published in 2019, but it never came to reality. This research took place in 2015 with a 40-member committee comprising of anthropologists and linguists. The team of the anthropologists identified the indigenous groups and the linguists the languages. The committee submitted a report in 2016 and in 2018, of which IMLI printed the first survey report that was made available for the public in 2019. Since then, no viable progress was seen in this regard. The researchers and the language heroes spoke about the importance of the completion of the task as soon as possible, as it would facilitate further action to preserve the diversity of languages in the country. These were the latest updates from MBTV Kids News on my hand. Ending here by inviting you to watch the next news. Till then, Allah Hafiz.